Today on LAMS News.
Hello and welcome back to LAMS News.
Breaking news. Today is January 26th, and in a few hours, a devastating blizzard is scheduled to hit the Maryland area. On the northeast snowfall impact scale, the blizzard is supposed to be a 3, major.
The blizzard is predicted to go on for a whole 3 days. It's supposed to hit right here if that's North America.
Based on the blizzard of 1880, the largest blizzard in the U.S. history, we presume that the houses in the Potomac area will be hit bad. Homes made of wood are more at risk. We know that roads will be destroyed, cars damaged, transportation could be impossible, and power outages may occur. Without power, heating systems may not be functional, and it may be freezing.
A blizzard occurs when warm air rises over cold air. Powerful winds pull cold air, moving to the poles away from the equator and warm air towards the poles in the equator. The air needs to be moist in order for clouds to form, and precipitation needs to be occurring. Blizzards can also occur when warm air gets brought together with cold air from strong winds and a front is formed. A power outage is suspected, right, Sam? Sam! Back to you, Mira and Laura.
Thanks, Anita. Blizzards have a big impact on the environment. Many trees fall because of the wind's pressure. Blizzards destroy everything around it. It destroys homes, trees, and the general environment, leaving a white coating after it called snow. This blizzard will affect anyone living near the area in which it will occur. The people in the center of the blizzard experience the worst effect, though. The number of people who will get hurt and killed can range from 2 to almost 80 and above deaths. Deaths can occur if an individual is caught outside the storm, if they starve from lack of preparation, car accidents, power outages, hypothermia, and also frostbite. A blizzard can shut down a city, sometimes for days. Transportation can be impossible. This means kids miss school and adults cannot get to work. People can be stuck in their homes for days. Because of the heavy snow and strong winds, electric wires can go down for days. Blizzards can hurt the economy. People can't get to work, jobs don't get done, and businesses and stores lose money. Get indoors as fast as you can. If you're stuck at home, make sure you have stocked up on food, water, and necessities such as the heater. Make sure you prepare for a power outage. Wear large coats and articles of clothing, and don't forget to stock up on food because the day for the storm, markets will obviously be packed. Also, make sure you have an emergency medical kit. Where are you getting all this food from? I'm prepared. Also, don't forget to stay tuned for the after effects of this blizzard.